Hello buddy, welcome back to a new video. I'm gonna do a JavaScript tutorial again, since the last one was a long time ago. And I'm gonna use the glitch.com website just because that works. And this is gonna be a text-based game in JavaScript. So first of all, I'm gonna get started. Let's see here. The microphone is in a awkward place, so that's why I can't really type that fast. But start with typing var, which stands for variable. Like it can store an input or can store. I'm just gonna show you. 1 equals, and it can store a string that the user can input, a number the user can input, or you can specify it yourself by typing like that. And now choice 1 is equal to 1, and if you set that, hello, and that, now choice 1 is equal to hello. And I can even show you that. Confirm. Let's see here. Choice 1. Oops. Hello. And if I wanted to change this to 1, I just wanna, if you want you can skip out this, but I just wanna show you. So that's what var does. It stores the something you want to store, like a number, a string, a boolean, or user input in this case. So for user input, prompt, let's see here, prompt, sorry, I just have to move around my microphone. Prompt, hello. Let's just do player, since we can actually give them a name if you want. Like, it's pretty easy. Let's see here. Yeah, actually, var name equals prompt what is your name, question mark. Oops, there we go. Hello. Then you can do choice 1, hello, space, plus name, plus, oops, plus hello. Now it's gonna say the name of the player. You see 2 doors. To which one do you enter? Door 1 or door 2. We go, and you do. Let's just delete that. Or actually, we can actually do this. Confirm that you chose to open plus choice. Let's see. 1. There we go. My name is Jerk. Hello Jerk, you see 2 doors. Which one do you enter? Door 1. There. I just wanted to show you this. Second. Sorry if I'm moving a bit quickly, but I just wanted to. We can even do. Can do door 1. You can do whatever you want in this case. If an if statement, if you don't already know it, it compares, used to compare, like if something is equal to something, or if that, or if, like in this case we're going to use it to compare the choice. If choice 1 is equal to, oops, the 2 or 3, I think it's 3 or 1, can't really remember, but I think it's free. Confirm that. I'm just gonna double check by doing this there. But yeah, this should be correct. I think it's free. I haven't really used JavaScript in a long while. Enter for 1 there. Now we can try it. Work for 1. Yep, exactly how I remembered. Else if I'm just gonna make it look a bit more easy to read by doing that. And else. The else is just something. You don't need that, but I'm just gonna do it. And here in else if statement, if choice 1 is equal, let's see, equal to store 2, that this is let's see here, an else if is like, if that wasn't true, it's gonna check the next if statement, or it's gonna check this one, which says else if, like, that's not true, then it's gonna check if this one is true. And if none of them are true, it's gonna return to this one. So let's just be a bit lazy here with this whole ordeal. Let's see here, go. I just want to. Here we can put one. Send it once. Confirm. Okay, shall we do just again is restart. Let's just do that. Since or wait, we can just do, let's see here. Let's skip out on that. Sorry. Let's see here. Confirm you enter door 1. I'm a bit tired, that's why I'm. Let's see here. Trying to remember how to, like. Let's just do. Can we do this? Oh yes. On calls from. Let's see, from. You find a small key on the floor. Want to pick it up? Question mark. Yes or no. There we go. I should be correct. Work. Door 1. Yes. There. You don't have to, if you reference that, like you see it's referenced here. When you do just choice, not var, it's gonna reference that objective, if I remember correctly, and it's gonna change the value of that to this. Let's just do. Oops. Choice 1 equals prompt. Let's see, what do we want to do here? You find a sleeping snake. Want to. Let's see here. Want to. Let's see, I'm trying to think. Sneak around it, or actually let's do it. Poke it or move around it. Question mark. poke or move. There we go. And now we can do, let's just do that, move that down, and do it if, let's see here, if choice 1 is equal to yes, else if yes, I know, computer. Oh yeah, sorry. Choice 1 equals no. There. Let's just dent it again so it's easier to read. Let's just do copy. We can do this actually. Let's see here. If poke or move. There. And yeah, I'm not gonna do more than this one. Confirm. You picked you picked up the key there. Let's just do you picked up the key. You got out. Since I'm gonna wrap it up here, not here, but wrap up this showcase here, I'm just gonna finish up both the if statements on both of these and the else if. Confirm. That's why I'm not writing like a lot, like choice 1 equals that. And let's see here. You didn't pick up the key, which meant that you couldn't get out. Let's just do that, and let's do a confirm. The confirm is like, but didn't explain it earlier. It's like, it just, what's it called now again? It just confirms like the thing that you specify. It can like confirm. It's the text box, you know. That's what it is, simply. But let's see here. If you poked it, we're gonna do confirm. Let's see here. You poked the snake, which made it poked snake. Let's do that. I just like to have it like this, so it's like doesn't spoil exactly what happens directly. Which woke up the snake and it bit you. I hope. Yeah, that's good. Firm. Let's see here. You moved around the snake. There. Confirm. Let's see it. That go. back, 2 clicks, Control 2, no, Shift 2. That's just the command for like the quotes. Let's see here. You didn't wake the snake up, so you survived and made out. There. Let's hear. Door 1. Yes. You picked up the key. You got out. Let's see here. Door 1. No. There. Let's hear. Just gonna run through all of them to show you that it works. Poke. And let's just do door 2. Move. There. And yeah, I'm gonna leave like a link to the code since it's really basic. You can do a lot more things with it than what I did. This was just an example. If you want more tutorials like this, I can do it. Like I can do basic HTML, not HTML. What is it called? I can do other tutorials like basic Unity tutorials, and what more can I actually do? Basic Minecraft plugin tutorials, and like what more can I actually do? I can do also basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript tutorials. Yeah, if you want anything like that, just tell me in the comments below what you want to see next, and I'll try to do it. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time, and bye.